How to fix Hotspot not working on iPhone. To get started, first ensure your cellular data is enabled. For that, swipe down to open the control center at the top right and tap on the cellular icon to turn on the switch as shown. Next, open up the Settings application and scroll down a bit to find and tap on Personal Hotspot. On this page, try toggling the Allow Others to Join switch. Turn it off, wait a moment, and then turn it back on to reset the hotspot. You can also try toggling the Maximize Compatibility option. This can sometimes resolve connection issues with other devices. If there is still an issue, first, try restarting your iPhone as shown. A simple restart can often solve the problem. Restarting your iPhone can clear temporary glitches affecting the hotspot. Following these steps, you can easily fix Hotspot not working on an iPhone.